everybody. It's my first evening. It's October 10th, somewhere in there. I picked this spot, honestly, on a whim. I hung a set today, but the wind isn't right for it, so I'm letting that soak. What stinks is the wind was supposed to stay pretty steady, but it just died. So, my wind's just gonna circulate in this little ravine here. So, I forgot how long of a walk this was. So, I brought some of this. And I'm glad I did because I was sweating. I'm gonna show you how this works. So this is phase out, this is the foam. So just it looks like the moose from 1995 that we used to use. How's my hair? Let's hunt. Merp. 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 That just happened. He came from dead downwind. Somebody's dying. I've never heard it. Dude, that thing came from, like, my wind is just swirling in here. And my thermals are going right down in there. And there he is.
Oh man.
That is awesome.
That is a nice buck. Way to go, Eric. That is sweet.
Looks like he had a drop tine.
Yeah, he did.
He broke it off.
Look at that guy.
Nice. Charlie, is that cool or what?
What do you think, buddy?
That was almost broke.
Oh, and then it rehealed, huh?
Yeah.
He's got like that inside point over there.
Yeah.
That's pretty
My
cool.
one last year had that.
Oh, did it really?
Oh, that would have been sweet. I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Now the work begins. Look at the pool of blood you're standing in.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That's where he must have been standing then.
When he was making his good noises.
Well, let's we'll take him out and take some pictures. Well, finally got it done last night. I was not expecting much at all. I was planning on hunting a different stand, but the wind was switching from the north to the south, so I knew it was just going to be back and forth, and it was pretty steady. But then, right around 5:30, it died, and it was a small breeze, and so I knew my hunt, I thought, was over because my scent was just going to go down with the thermals right into the ravine and just sit down there and swirl around and whatever. But this right here, that saved my butt. I was sweating when I walked into the stand because I forgot how long of a walk it was, and I also forgot it wasn't as cold as it was in Minnesota when I left. So I put this all over. I can't say enough about the phase. And I thank God, because I don't know how this all came together. You can see the footage is pretty amateur because it happened so quick. He was trotting by. I had to stop him. And as soon as I stopped him, that's when I saw how big he was. I did not know he was a big buck until he stopped. And then I was like, oh man. That's why it took a little bit for me mating at him and him stopping and me shooting.